Hi everyone, the goal of this project is to develop an explainable machine learning model to predict customer churn in a telecommunication dataset. Customer churn refers to customers leaving the service provider. Predicting churn is important because companies can proactively retain customers who are likely to leave. The dataset contains 7,043 customers and 21 features, including demographic information, contracting details, internet services, and billing information. The target variable is churn, which indicates whether the customer left the company. Two models were evaluated: logistic regression and random forest. Logistic regression achieved higher accuracy and precision, meaning its positive predictions were more reliable. However, random forest achieved significantly higher recall, F1 score, and RCAUC. In churn prediction, recall is especially important because business want to identify as many customers at risk of leaving as possible. Therefore, random forest was selected at the final model to improve model interpretability. Feature importance from the random forest model was analyzed. The most important feature is customer tenure, which indicates how long a customer has stayed with the company. Customers with shorter term are more likely to churn. Contract type is another key factor. Customers with month-to-month contract are significantly more likely to leave compared to those with long-term contracts. Billing factors such as monthly charges and total charges also influence churn probability. Additionally, customers using fiber optic internet service appear more likely to churn, possibly due to higher cost of service expectations. These findings align with real-world business intuition and help explain the model's predictions. Responsible AI principles was considered when developing the model. First, transparency was addressed by using interpretable techniques such as feature importance to understand how the model makes predictions. Second, fairness considerations were taken into account by examining whether demographic attributes such as gender or senior citizen status significantly influence predictions. These features were included only when they provided meaningful predictive value and were monitored to ensure they did not introduce unfair bias. Third, accountability is maintained by clearly documenting the modeling process and evaluation metrics. There are also ethical considerations when using churn prediction models. First, the models may unintentionally introduce bias if demographic variables influence predictions unfairly. Second, predictions should not be used to discriminate against customer, but rather to provide better support or retention offers. Finally, companies must ensure that customer data is handled responsibility and transparently, respecting privacy and data protection standards. By combining predictive modeling with and the fairness analysis, organizations can use AI responsible while improving customer retention structures. In summary, this project developed an explainable churn prediction model using random forest. The model achieved strong predictive performance and identified key factors influencing churn, such as tenant contract type and billing patterns. By incorporating interpretability and responsible AI principles. The model provides both accurate prediction and transparent insights for decision making.